Today we're going to be reviewing the Terra Kiger 5 Off-White Nikes in the electric green colorway. Let's check it out right here. No extra laces, just the green fuzzy tab. It's of the usual orange tab. And yep, let's check it out. We have Nike right across on the shoe here. The brown part here is a really fuzzy suede material. Soft material on the green throughout. The Nike logo here is actually stamped on, as you can see. The stamp is actually on a little bit of the suede right over here. Seems to be like fly wire to hold the laces. Black sole right here. And then a little bit of blue, light blue on the bottom throughout the whole bottom shoe. Really nice little detail right here. I didn't notice it at first. I thought it was all green, but there's like a little bit of hits of blue on the bottom, on the spikes as well. But majority of it is just a light lime green colorway. Here's an orange tab on the shoe as well. Back, Nike Air logo on this fuzzy suede with a little bit of pointy back here. And let's check out the laces. We have two laces on each pair. We have the regular generic black laces with the Off-White branding shoelaces on the edge, as well as the blue laces on this green pair. And a nice little detail that you see here, shoelaces in pink on this blue laces. And the blue laces is actually 3M as well. It's reflective. If you put flash on it, it will be really shiny. Only the blue laces. Let's check out the tongue real quick. Two Nike tabs on the tongue here. Tongue is a foam material, really soft. Off foam, so it's probably gonna yellow over time. Back of the tongue, just like a generic Nike message here. Let's go to insoles really quick. Just a yellow insole with a black Nike swoosh. The shoe is really detailed, it's crazy. Just the inside, before we forget. Off-white message stamped on. Silver swoosh here on both shoes. And as you can see, the same as like the outside swoosh here, the stamp is actually on the metallic silver swoosh and on the suede as well. Really interesting detail. And yeah, I got these from the Nike sneakers app. The fit would be true to size. This is a size 6 women's. For men's, go down 1.5 size. So a size 6 women's is a 4.5 men's. And I would say they fit true to size. And you can actually wear these outside because the spikes are really soft. Like if you put your hand on it, it's not like a track spike. It's actually like, it's just like soft. Overall, this shoe is pretty cool. I like this color the least. I actually like the white one a lot more. And yep, there you have it. Retail was, I believe, $180. Nice.
Thank you for watching.